Hey Tommy, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is simply just the words and photos on your home page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. We see that you guys have probably about 300 words on your home page, so we definitely want to get more content added. Another thing is when you click on a photo and you go to Save Image As, we see that it's saved as a date. So you want to get all your photos saved as keywords. And so let's take a look at your competition. So when we're looking at Bleach Plumbing, we see that they also only have a few hundred words on their homepage. Henry Plumbing, same thing, only a few hundred words. And Roto-Rooter has probably about maybe 500 to 600. So that's all very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we search for Plumbers Savannah, the first thing we're going to see are the paid ads, which are not really all that effective. Very few people actually click on those ads. A majority of the clicks go to the map pack and to the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is really just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. The tool that I like to use to check out how many citations each person has is called whitespark.ca. So when we look at you have 17, Roto has 14, Henry 61, and Bleach has 45. So what I would recommend is that you just go ahead and add 350 citations so you can beat your competition by a landslide and ultimately rank into the top 3 positions of the map pack. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. And a backlink is also known as link juice, and link juice simply put works like this. So site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. But there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if there was a plumbing site in California linking back to your website, that would be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut. So the tool that I like to use to look at that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug you guys in, we see that you don't have any referring domains and no backlinks. Looking at your competitors, Bleach has 21 referring domains, giving them 198 backlinks. Henry has 66 with 205. And Roto has 50 with 565. So not all backlinks are created equal either. So there's like spammy backlinks, and then there's trustworthy backlinks. And so the UR is the power and DR is the trust. Ideally, these numbers will be double digits and they'll be pretty close to each other. So checking out Henry, we see that they don't have very trustworthy backlinks. Checking out Bleach, theirs are even worse. So their site has power, but it has very little trust in Google's eyes. So when we check out yours, we see that you have a little power, and because your site was made on Google, obviously Google's going to trust it. So we definitely need to get some backlinks pointing back to your website, and we see that you're only being found for one keyword, which is Tommy Brooks Facebook. So we definitely want to get you found for some top keywords. We can take a look at those right here. So Savannah Plumbers is a keyword. There's 250 searches a month for that keyword. The KD is the keyword difficulty, which is how difficult it is to rank for that keyword. Plumber Savannah, Georgia, there's another 200 searches, 11 KD. Plumbers Savannah, Georgia, that's another 200 searches with only a 2 KD. So you can see that there's 650 searches right there for 3 keywords. So you definitely want to get found for those. Statistics prove that the guy who's in the top position gets 33% of those clicks. So that's a massive amount of business that you're missing out on not being found for them. So just to do a recap, you want to go ahead and get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. and you want to go ahead and get your photos saved as keywords. I recommend just getting 350 citations added, so that way you can rank your competition. And then go ahead and get relevant, trustworthy backlinks pointing back at you, so that way you can land yourself in the first position of Google. Alright, Tommy, that's all I have for you. These are all things you can do yourself, but if you'd like to take the most effective, easiest route, you can reach back out to me. Again, my name is Stephanie. My email is info@peerlessstrategies.com, or you can just call me directly at 912-661-3473. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.